What's up, YouTube? So, quick one. In this video, I want to show you two most powerful price reversal pattern. When you see this pattern, just know that price is about to reverse, and you can capitalize on it because this is one major patterns that I love to trade. Okay, it's not the only patterns, but this is my top two most favorite patterns, price action patterns that I love to trade. And I will show you tricks where I take them, and you will see how it all went. Almost all the tricks that I've taken following this pattern have gone in my favor. So let's go to my computer screen now and let me show you all that. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you don't feel like subscribing, at least like the video for the effort put in. Okay, so we are on my computer screen. So let me just show you these two major price reversal pattern and the psychology behind it and how powerful they are. Okay, and I will always advise you to always look out for these things. So the first one is our double bottom, like W. Okay, like W, like this. The second one is double top, like this. Okay, these are the patterns. These are the two most powerful patterns in when it comes to price action. When you are trading price action, these are very powerful patterns that you need to look out for. But let me first of all talk about the psychology behind these patterns first before we proceed. You see, when price got to this level, you will discover that price got to this. Basically, what it means is this. This is price got to this level the first time, it got there the second time. Okay, here in the case of double tops, it got here the first time, got here the second time. So let's start with this first one. When price got here the first time, okay, you don't know what is actually going on yet. You just know that price got to that particular level. Okay, but then all of a sudden you see price push up, because this is a down. This happens when the market is in a downward trend, like when the market is in a downward trend like this. Let's say market moving lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. Okay, then you have same low. Okay, let me put it this way. Okay, now this is your double bottom. Okay, so now price has actually been dropping. Okay, it may not even form lower low, lower high. It may be just a huge drop. Then all of a sudden price go to that particular zone, that particular level. It's not a support or resistance zone now, just a price level. Okay, it is a price level. Okay, so when price got there, all of a sudden you see buyers push it up. But when they try to push it up, they failed. And then the sellers who have been holding this market, they push it again. And then all of a sudden, at that same price level, you start seeing rejection. Maybe some kind of hammer. Maybe you see a green candle engulfing a red candle there, like bullish engulfing candle or something like that. That is to tell you that the buyers who push the market here, they are still much available at this level, and they are trying to start reversing the market from here. So automatically that should come to you, that should signal to you that something is actually going on here. There are buyers here. Okay, there are buyers here. So in that case, you want to consider taking a buy position. In this case, take a buy position. The same thing is applicable to double tops. Okay, double top. If you have markets going higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, there you have the same top. Okay, let me move this down a little bit. Okay, you have the same top. Same principle applies. What is going on here is similar to what's going here. People have been buying, but all of a sudden price got here, sellers push it down, then go back up, those sellers still show some their maybe you see weak rejection, or you see some kind of bearish engulfing candle. Then you want to be sure that sellers pressures are here and they are taking positions or probably trying to sell. Another thing that could actually result in something like this is market might have been going for a long time, and you might start seeing people taking positions, like taking their profits around here. This is one of the reasons why you see price struggling at a particular zone, because seeing double top or triple tops or something like that shows that price is struggling at that particular level. Okay, so these two major things you want to always look out for them. And I'm not just telling you, I'm going to show you this S&P 500 chart open on my this thing on my system now. So I'm going to show you that I've been taking tricks like this every time. Okay, this is the recent one that I'm in now. This is election period. I still want to talk about election too. I still want to tell you why I am trading during the election while other people are sitting back. Okay, this is election period. Okay, you can see what is going on here. Price actually push and then it drop here. Then the price pushed up, then come down here. Then I started seeing rejection. You can see all the weak rejection. That was when I took a buy position. In the time past, I also bought this one too. Okay, but I closed out of this trade. That was why I removed this thing here, because I have a trade open here too. Anytime I see that double top, I always enter a trade. I also enter this trade, but I close the trade here, around somewhere here. I closed the trade when the price started reversing. That was when I closed the trade, because what gave me entry is this what gave me entry was this this double bottom here. Okay, this is the first one, this is the second one. If it is, let me show you because it may not be clear enough. Okay, it came down, then got pushed up, then come down again, then this move. So I took the position, but when the price got here and started retracing, that was when I closed out. The reason I closed out is because I was seeing something that shows like you can see this is like a double top. That is the first thing, which I didn't count serious initially, but when it got here and started reversing, and I was like, okay, this looks like a head and shoulder. This is the first shoulder. I see these double tops as my head, and this is the second shoulder being formed now. So I feel that the market is still going to the market is probably going to retrace a little bit from here before this push. So I closed out the trade. So that was why I just removed this, because sometimes I just remove it if it is not necessary. So that is another example there. And eventually it came to form what we call triple tops, triple bottom. This is another price action pattern, reverse pattern. Okay, first top, this is the first bottom, second bottom, third bottom. So triple bottoms rather. Okay, so that being said, let's proceed.
Okay, so quick one. Join my seminar. I will be having a seminar this on Zoom. Basically, I will be having a seminar on November 30th of this month. Yes, of this month on Zoom. So I will be teaching you everything I know about trading without holding anything back, and I will be giving you guys the video after the training so you can watch it again. So to register for that seminar, check the description below and click on the link there to register. Don't forget to drop your WhatsApp number when you are registering so that I can send you messages or you get updates regarding that seminar.
Now, this is another one here. Okay, this is another one here. You can see price came down. Okay, price came down. Okay, came down. Okay, then get pushed up. Then all of a sudden there is a there is another sell candle move up to this level. Okay, then it got rejected. You can see this got rejected. That was when it got it. That was when I took my entry. You can see it formed something that looks like double bottoms. Okay, it looks like double bottom. So that was what gave me this entry, and I took the trade. Okay, if you check this one too, you will see similar situation. Hold on, let this load. You can see. Okay, the price has actually been moving down. Then it got here. Eventually it moved down. Let me just sketch it so that you can see things. Okay, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Then let me, that week doesn't matter. Then it pushed up here, come down. Then I started seeing some kind of major minor candles that shows exhaustions. Then after this green candle start moving up, that was when I took my entry. So that is my entry. You can see the double bottoms. Okay, even recently I took a nice trade on gold. Let me show you how that went. Okay, it's everywhere. You want to wait for it. You don't just want to. Okay, hold on, let me just show you the trade. Okay, it's still there because I think I told my mentorship class. Okay, so you can see what happens there. Let me remove this trend line. Okay, you can see after this retracement, I wait for this retracement to happen, but when it eventually happen, okay, you see it go up, then push down. That was when I took my buy position. Okay, you can see the double bottoms here. Okay, so now gold has been this like a shoulder, okay, like first shoulder head, second shoulder. This a reverse pattern, okay, a reverse pattern. All this box, this is a reverse pattern. So I feel that gold might drop. So, but I expect it to drop to this particular level. It may not get there, but at least I want it to drop a little bit and give me that same double bottom. That is when I will go long on gold as well. Okay, so this is something you want to look out for. So this same thing that I've shown you, you know, all these ones are double bottom. It is also available on what's it called, double tops too, double tops. Okay, so you want to look out for that too. US oil, you can see I have traded it on US oil many times. Okay, this one I follow reverse head and shoulder pattern. This is double bottom here. Okay, I took this position, but eventually after going in my direction, it eventually came to hit my stop loss. I took this one too. Okay, so that is the idea for double tops. Now, like now, this is a double top here. Okay, you can see price retrace. Okay, price from here, hold on, price, oh sorry about that. Okay, price got down from here, then move up here. Okay, retraces, move up. Okay, and then this red candle form. Okay, look at that red candle there. Let me move this for double top now. Okay, look at that red candle there. That is bullish, a bearish engulfing candle there. So here is a good time for you to enter. In fact, it's the reason I exist the trade. Okay, is the reason I exist the trade. But actually, what now happen eventually is that market do what after this bearish retraces and then drop. Okay, it drop afterwards, and then after it drops, market again gave that particular pattern again before reversing. Okay, went up, come down, then you see a green candle that shows establishment of buyers here. So here you want to go long. Okay, so this price pattern is everywhere. However, what I would advise you if you are watching this video is don't try to trade these things on lower time frame. On lower time frames, they are very weak. Okay, but what you can do is if you want to trade them on lower time frame is that as soon as if you are trading on lower time frame, always target the next resistance level or support level that the price will get to. That is where you want to take your profits. You don't want to stay too long. Okay, let's say you see double bottom here. Maybe you are trading this on 15 minutes, and let's say you see this. Okay, let's say there is a resistance here, for example. Let's say there is a resistance here. Okay, as soon as the price get there, take your profit. Okay, you don't want to wait, even if the resistance is below. Let's say the resistance is here. Okay, you want to take your profit just immediately. As soon as the price gets here, you want to take your profit immediately. You don't want to stay long if you are trading this on lower time frame. But if you are trading it on higher time frame, it is actually very powerful, and you can hold your trade as long as you can. As soon as it breaks the neckline, you may want to either break even or move your stop loss down below it. So anyhow you want it. So this is what I want to show you. I believe the video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.